Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video installation on the final piece of my body kit, my lower lip kit for my GR Corolla. So I previously had started with the first piece I did was the front lip, and then I recently received the side skirts that finally were released. And last but not least was the rear spats. So let me show you what those suckers look like and how easy it is to actually get them put on. So here is one of the rear spats. Try to give you a good detail shot here. Once again, the gloss twill carbon fiber. And if that's the look you're after, then it's real simple. So these larger holes right here are literally for the clips, the OEM clips. And then the smaller holes are for the additional screws that they give you. So this will literally sit just like that. So I'll pop off some clips and show you how quick and easy this is and how it's going to look. So looking from behind the car here, here's the rear reflector. So I'm looking up under. So here is one of the clips, and then the other two clips right here. So these two right here. So I'm just going to pop those off real quick. So these are what those clips look like. And I do recommend having spares because these do wear out. Dirt and grime gets in them and makes them not want to work. So keep some spares. They're cheap and easy to get, and I'll leave a link where you can pick up some extras online. So okay, first little issue. So this hole right here, this slid right through just fine, but this hole's a little bit small. Does not want to seat through, and the same thing this hole right here. So these two are a little small, so need to enlarge these slightly. So let me see what I think will be the best way to do that. So the good news here is I just wanted to show you, I have a little hand file here, little round one, and so I tried this first, and I literally just took this and went in and out just a few times just to kind of almost just deburr it, and it didn't take but a few strokes where then this went through and would seat into it. So, and I did that on both the sides, and so this one was okay. So now all three of those will pop into place. So I'll go ahead and go do that and show you what it looks like. Well, there you go, guys. There's the finished look of it. Nice and clean, and sure does fit nicely. Did a really good job with the contour of the car and the lines of it. I really like that. So if you want to pick up a set of these, then I'll leave the link below. Like I said, Extreme Online Store. The front spoiler was fantastic. They now have available the rear spats to match it and the side skirts, so you can get the whole kit now. So on the passenger side one here, all three holes needed some enlarging. The middle one was the closest. The other two were much smaller, needed some extra help. So, but I've test fit one of the clips now and they all fit. But there's one other issue. Now these two are not a problem, the two that are toward the mud flap. But the hole around the back side there, that one you got to be careful of, because if you notice right here, there is, let's see if I can show it to you here. So right here, there's excess from when they molded it, and it will not let, get my part here, it will not let the flange right here sit down against that. So I was able to clean up that whole area. As you can see, I used my trusty Milwaukee Dremel tool to get rid of a lot of it, and then I had a little flat file, and so I was able to go ahead and use the flat file right on this side right here, just to make sure that that edge was flat and that the base was flat. Because what I wanted to do was just make sure that when the clip went in, that it would sit nice and flush, like you can see it does. So like I said, these two over here, no problem, because they're not next to anything. So now this one is ready to pop in. So here's the final look of it, with both of them on, looking quite amazing, I might say. The fit is perfect. Like I said, the only thing I had to do was enlarge some of those holes and take off a little excess on this one right here. Definitely not a big deal, but I do love how they fit and how they look. Absolutely perfect. So if you like these, make sure you go over. I'll leave the link on here. My friends over at Extreme Online Store would be happy to send you out a set. Thank you much, guys. Any questions, comments, anything like that, please reach out to me. I'd love to get them. And until next time, guys, we'll see you down the road.